Okay, back then. Correct. It's a handstand. It's a handstand on water, guys. Can you guys believe? So relaxing. Hey! I wanted to enter on the floaty. It's fine. Cannonball! Ah! Okay, catch. Hey, catch. Hey, no, win. Whee! Okay, guys, what should we play next? Mermaid? There's a fish! I'm gonna go get that fish. Guys, now it's time for pictures. Say cheese! Cheese! So guys, we're gonna wait for the owner to come, okay? I'd like to order one cookie and one salad cake. Coming right over. Guys, let's go to the beach. Okay. Hello. Hello. We want to go to the beach, please. Okay. You have to give me money. Okay. Here's the money. Let me get it. Here's your money. Thank you. Bye. Bye. So let us first change into our swimming costumes. Yay! Guys, I already wore mine. So it's now your turn. I don't even need to go to the changing room. You guys go to the changing room. Well, I'm going to prepare myself for the swimming costume. And then, guys, when we come back, you have to come back for sunscreen because I carried everything I need. Okay, I'm done. Okay, we're going to the changing room. Okay, let me wear my swimming costume. I'm already in mine. I just spawned my sneakers. Okay, guys, let me first pack my dress. We're packing our dresses because we don't want to. So, okay, let's remove everything we needed for the beach. So first, we'll need the ball to play inside the water. Everyone, sunscreen when we're first done with all of this. I have to wear my sun-dish clip. Now let me wear my clip. Okay. So this is my fish clip. Let's wear it. Let me put this here. Into my hair. Guys, don't worry. I know how to use it and wear a clip. So, a clip. It's a clip. Not a clip. Okay. Now we're done. Now let's wear my bracelet. I mean my necklace. Okay. We're not gonna wear my necklace right now because it's still very chilly outside. So, guys, we'll take pictures later. Let me first put some into the water. It's going to get destroyed. Okay, we're gonna put the glasses in here, my purse in here. These are the things we need. So first, everyone, let's wear sunscreen. Here's the sunscreen. The sunscreen. What? You guys, why? Oh, never mind. So let's put the sunscreen. This is the sunscreen, guys. So let's put this on them. So, guys, it's always important to wear sunscreen before, please. Listen to your parents. Your parents have to tell you the truth. Always wear sunscreen. Always. Or else you'll get a sunburn. Okay? Sunscreen, 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 and sunscreen, 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 sunscreen. Okay, next one. Okay, so more of that for her and him. Him and her. So, guys, start removing your shoes now. Oh my god. Let's put sunscreen on you. Let's make you shiny as bright as the sun. That's why it's called sunscreen. It makes you sunscreen. That's the sun. Okay, guys. So let's close your sunscreen and go with your ball, okay? It also has a lot of pool toys, right? Plays pool toys in there. Yeah. So let's put this here, and yeah. So guys, time to go. Let's go into the ocean. Here's the ocean. So first, let's pour the ball. Yay! Now let's enter. First, remove your shoes, everyone. Let's remove our shoes, everyone. Let's put them here. Now time to enter. Dun, dun, dun. These are floaty now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, so relaxing. Hey! I wanted to enter on the floaty. It's fine. Cannonball! Ah! Hey, these actually cool toys, guys. Let's first sit down and yeah, just gonna. Okay, guys. Let's now sit down and play the game. Okay. Ew. Okay, catch. Ah, hey, catch. Hey, no, win. Whee. This is the ball we're using. Waterproof. Okay, guys, what should we play next? Mermaid? There's a fish! I'm gonna go get that fish. So, okay, I'm gonna sit in my place. Okay, let me go around. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and relax. Fishy and me, fishy and me, alive, fishy and me, fishy and me, fishy, fishy, fishy is the best. Fishy, 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 fishy. Ah! You will get all revenge. Whee! I'm going underwater. I'm gonna do the male split, guys. Gymnastics underwater. Whee! Male split. Male split. Correct. Side split. Correct. Other side split. Go like that. Okay. And then like this. And then down. Correct. Back bend. Oh, back bend. I see what you're trying to do. Harder and harder every time. Okay, back bend. Correct. It's a handstand. It's a handstand on water, guys. Can you guys believe? Guys, I really did that. All by myself. I'm gonna do me. So now, okay, do the split handstand. Do the middle split handstand. That was pretty easy. Do the round up. Round up. Ow! That's why I told you to move. Look at my long water hair. Aren't you water sick? Don't eat the fish again. You have to wait. Okay. It's in my belly. What? Look, which has been in her belly. Ew, oh, guys, I don't feel so well. I'm in the loop. Don't worry, guys. Okay, let's remove the fish out of your stomach again. You can't eat the fish. You can't swallow the fish. Please. Stop. Just stop. Ugh. Ugh. Oh no, fishy. Fishy. Do we need more water? Oh. I really should up. So, you guys can now relax. Guys, I saw a kingdom. What? A kingdom. Yes, a mermaid kingdom. What? In the sea? Yeah. Let me first. You have to remove all the water shit. So guys, let's go to the kingdom. What, the kingdom? Yeah. You want to come? Yes. Everyone, go with everything. Whee! I am so watersick. This seawater is very weird. We became mermaids, guys. It was so fun. Oh my god. Guys, let me look up. Yeah, guys, that was so fun. You should come. I want to. She said we come like food. Did she say food? I have seaweed. I have seaweed. Seaweed. So we're going, guys, and we're gonna go play on the water. Okay. Whee! Guys, look at my tail! Whee! This is so fun! We're playing with the ball right now. I'm so sick. Water is ill. Yeah. It's okay. Woo! Guys, where's the ball? Oh, look, it's shit. Wee! That was fun. Wee! Hair flip. Hair flip. Wee! Okay, competition. Okay, go. Wee! Do it. I got it. I know. I'm gonna get it back. Okay, I made too much dang. We all get water sick. So you both have bars, guys. Guys, get out! Ah! You scared me. That's what it's scaring you. You're trying to get out. Guys, get out! Oh, now you're fussy. That's what happens. Hey, stop. No way. Okay, now guys, time to get out. We didn't even try the floaty. Yeah. Guys, now it's time to get in the blankets. Let's get out of here, okay? Oh, that was so much fun swimming. Yeah. Time to dry you guys up. At least you get to dry up. I think we should do this a little bit faster. I said a little bit. This is a little bit. That is not that much fast, right? This is not a lot. So, guys, that's already dry now. So, outfits. Wait, we're not even going to wear outfits. So, guys, now time to take pictures. Sunglasses. Check. Girl, check. Clothes in the bag. Check. Yeah, pictures, not check. Now let's wear your guys' shoes. My painted toenails. Now my shoes. Okay, I found your shoes. Where are your shoes? Now you are. Not food, just up. Guys, now it's time for pictures. It looks like she's supposed to wear glasses. These are mine. Okay. Say cheese. Cheese. Okay, guys. I'm going to hold the camera this time because the first picture was blurry. Cheese. Cheese. Let me see the picture. What? What am I? I'm always Sophia. Oh my god, guys. So guys, this is the picture. Here's Sophia herself on her castle. The ugly squirrel. And y'all know, the bird. Let's put that like that. Okay, that's that. We're done. I'm hungry, guys. Let's eat. Okay, let's go eat. Sit. So guys, we're gonna wait for the owner to come, okay? Hi guys, what would you like to order? I would like to order one cookie and one salad cake. Coming right up. And you? What would you like? I want some fries, chicken, a mini apple pie, and some cookies and a sausage. You're gonna just have the fries, mini apple, the tea, and the cookie. Okay, much better, more used. And you? I just want a strawberry cake and some egg and strawberry. Okay, all those orders are coming right up. Okay. First the vodka. Here's the first order of the day. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Now where's mine? Okay. Why? So here's your order. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now, where is my tea? Oh, your tea. Okay, let me make it. Pineapple juice. What flavor do you want to be? Thank you. Sugar tea. Okay. And a cookie. So here is your cake, egg, cookie, and you're gonna get a spoon because of the cake. You need to eat cake with a spoon. Okay, let's eat and drink. That was so delicious tea. Okay. I'm too hungry. This thing is empty. That went right into my belly. That was delicious. Now you. Another real one. The strawberry. Let's get the strawberry. Look at the strawberry. He was right on top of this cake and that's scan. He even ate all the cream. He ate all the cream. Good. Go. Oh, guys, I am full now. Let's go change, okay? Good. So, let's put that back in there. That was fun. We ate. We had sunscreen. We went swimming. That was fun, guys. Yeah, that was real fun. I know. I want to come back again. So, first one done. Okay, next is her. Now, all of them, let's go back home. Guys, that was the best at the beach, right? Yeah, we should come here again. Ow, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.